No, ma'am.
Bakit po?
No. Our institutions are clearly abused. They are used for personal gain. They are um, they are used for personal gain, and we have already seen the testimony of witnesses about corruption, and there is practically nothing happening in our country. Ilang ulit ko na yan sinasabi noon na tigilan yung politika, tigilan yung pag-una ng pansariling interes kasi walang nangyayari sa ating bansa. Meron ba kayong nakikita at all na project na nakatulong sa ating bayan? Wala.